Hello students, good morning. In the previous class, uh, we have started the lesson that is Kaku and Lal Hava, and we have finished the lesson, half of the lesson now. Before going to start the class, we'll have a short recapitulation of the yesterday's class. As you know that Kaku was living in a village called Choti Dadi, and he used to run every day in the morning to his school, okay, by crossing the paddy fields, ground, etc. No? So he used to think that there is a big secret with him that he doesn't even say to his Amma also. No. He clapped and wailed to the Lal Hawa, and when the train used to give the sound, his eyes used to follow the magical wheels. Okay, he used to wave his small hands and ran along with the Lal Hawa. Next, Kaku loved meeting Lal Hawa every day. As I said you, he liked the red painting, its fast moving wheels, and the sound made by the train. Okay, every night he used to pray for the God that Lal Hawa should stop in his village at least once. Okay, one day Kaku asked to his teacher that why doesn't Lal Hawa stop at Choti Dadi? Okay, then his sir replied that Kaku, our village is too small for the mighty Lal Hawa. Okay, it is very small. Then Kaku was sad. His Amma gently consoled him by saying, "Don't be sad, Kaku. I am sure that Lal Hawa will stop one day." But it never stopped. Even the day has passed the village lake, leaving Kaku alone. Okay, a few days later, Kaku reached the small hill station as usually, how he used to go for the school. Okay, he used to see the Lal Hawa. Kaku closed his eyes and started praying for the God that his dear friend would stop there for a while. His eyes were closed, but he wondered why his ears could not reach the sound of Lal Hawa. He startled and means he got shocked and he opened his eyes. Right there in front of him, Lal Hawa had stopped. Kaku could not believe it. Okay, what happened? Lal Hawa, the train had stopped in front of him. Then he heard a noise coming from the village. Everyone was running towards Lal Hawa, shouting and cheering. Then what happened? He heard a noise that everyone was running towards the Lal Hawa, shouting and cheering. Okay, in a joy. He could see his Amma, his school teacher, his friends, and old retired railway guard hurrying towards Lal Hawa. What happened? He could be able to see his mother coming towards the train, his school teacher, his friends, and the station master, retired railway guard. Okay, they are coming to Lal Hawa. Lal Hawa had stopped at Choti Dadi and was waiting to meet Kaku. So what happened? It had stopped and waiting to meet Kaku. So Lal Hawa whistled aloud and Kaku laughed and whistled back. Quickly he climbed onto Lal Hawa. As I said that Lal Hawa stopped in front of him, no? So then it had whistled very loudly. Okay, and in the return back, he too laughed and whistled back. Quickly he climbed onto Lal Hawa. As just then, Lal Hawa chucked again. The chuck sound became faster, and soon Lal Hawa was flying on magic wheels with Kaku in it. What happened? And then Kaku had quickly climbed on the Lal Havanu. Then the train again started and it became faster, and Lal Hava was flying on magic wheels. Amma smiled. She had tears in her eyes. From a window, Kaku waved to everyone. Lal Hava was flying, and so was Kaku. So then what happened? Amma, she was smiling. She had tears in her eyes. So Kaku was waving his hand from the window, and then Lal Hava was flying. Okay, this is the end of the story. And yeah, assignment is refer page number 10 in your textbook and do the A bit. Okay, students, thank you.